Drip is ready.
Hey, what's up? Sorry I missed your call. I've just been running errands all day. Thanks for making time to come to the cabin last week. I loved getting to sleep in and then waking up and going outside to see everybody fishing in the morning and spending time together. That was so sweet.
All over again. One little dream at night and I can dream.
I feel like we don't really get that much time just outside of our normal work weeks to spend slow time together like that. It was so refreshing, and honestly, I didn't even know how much I needed it until I got there. You're so right. That trip just came at such a perfect time.
I want to fall in love beginning from the start. All over again.
It's so wild how much was blooming outside. Even in early spring, I was a little bit nervous because the girls were talking for weeks about how excited they were to make little bouquets, and I was nervous that they wouldn't find anything, but they found so much, and it was so sweet watching them get everything set up for dinner. They're just literally the funniest kids ever. I also cannot stop thinking about how much we are actually coffee nerds. Like, I'm starting to get a little bit concerned if we actually are addicted to coffee and should do something about it. The fact that we were brewing coffee at actually every single point in the day is a little bit ridiculous. But honestly, I can't lie, I kind of loved it. Especially those affogatos. Are you kidding me? I don't know if it was the espresso or if it was the Ben & Jerry's or what, but that was literally life-changing. I have not been able to stop thinking about them since then. I was also wondering what natural detergent you use because I've probably washed my hoodie 2 times and it still smells like smoke, which, cute reminder of our time together, but also, how do you get that smell out? Okay, anyways, sorry I'm rambling. Just call me back whenever you see this. Love you, bye.
Over again.